Come in. Welcome.
Good day. I'm here for an interview.
Cheers! My name is Jurica Ruic, a former professor at the Marine Academy in Zadar, Croatia, as well as offshore and marine worker with over 20 years of experience. This channel is created to help younger ones, freshly graduated students, stepping in the first time on the ship or on the platform. In previous videos I have been talking about how to do an interview and how to write a CV, and in this video I will go a step ahead and try to do an interview with proper questions and answers. There is no special recipe how to do this. It's not like baking a cake and you have a recipe going through all the ingredients and at the end you have a perfect cake. No, I'm giving you a cake, you have to taste it and discover all the ingredients. So, without a further ado, let's do this! So, I asked you in the beginning what was wrong. The wrong was my dress code. I came in short pants and I had a chewing gum in my mouth. That was wrong. So actually I have prepared the checklist, the interview checklist. I'm not, genius and I cannot remember everything, so I wrote a couple of lines on a couple of sheets of paper which I'm going to read for you, and in the description of the video I'm gonna leave everything for you to read or to download if it is possible, I'm not sure. First question: what motivated you to join shipping and why career at sea? Answer: seafarer's profession is a part of my family passion and I live in the area with the great seafarer's tradition. This was the great motivation for me to continue the same path. Question number 2. What are your interests or hobbies? I'm interested in reading books and watching YouTube videos about the marine life and engineering, especially shipbuilding. I have a couple of hobbies, such as playing the keyboards and doing the wooden furniture restoration. During my school days, I have participated on a couple of local and state competitions in Nautical Sciences, and as well I played the keyboard in a school band. While being at the university, I have participated on a couple of exhibitions organized by my university, and with a group of colleagues we held a presentation about the ecology as a state of mind, with a focus on protection of Adriatic Sea. Question number 3. How would you describe yourself as a person? Weak and strong sides. This is a tricky one. Answer: I'm aware of the fact I still have to learn to be able to gain confidence in what I do. I'm introverted and a bit afraid to stand alone in front of a group of people to present my ideas, as I'm aware that my ideas are sometimes good or sometimes bad. I'm not afraid to talk to more experienced colleagues, and by talking to them I'm secretly gaining knowledge for free. So, weak and strong sides. Question number 4. What do you know about our ship management? Your answer. Your ship management offers various positions for seafarers on board on various types of vessels, as well various onshore positions. My impression is that your company can provide great career development, and by doing this interview with you, I'm willing to take this challenge to develop myself in right direction. Question number 5. Where do you see yourself in 15 to 20 years, or let's say when you are 40? Your answer. As it is a long time ahead of the age I'm having right now, all I can say what my goal is, and that is to develop myself in the direction required by the company and to become a captain on one of your vessels. Question number 6. What do you feel you can offer or to add to this position? Why should we hire you? Because I need a job. No, that's not your answer. The answer is, I'm motivated and I'm bringing the fresh academic knowledge. Knowing future possibilities within the company or organization, it will give me more motivation to become the part of the company in every aspect of the work. Nice. Question number 7. Give examples of school accomplishments that shows your leadership or teamwork skills. Your answer. Being the part of school band, I have learned a lot about the teamwork and the leadership, as well as being the part of joint presentations with colleagues of mine at the university. I have learned how it is valuable to be a part of the team and to contribute to the same goal. Question number 8. What are your views on health, safety, security, quality, and environmental policy or philosophy? Short HSSQE. Your answer. Safety is the culture that has to be adopted in every aspect of the work. By adopting those high safety standards, every employee helps the company to grow in the right direction. Question number 9. What are your views on drugs and alcohol policy? Each and every employee must adhere to drug and alcohol policies. Question number 10. What does the term DPA means and what are his or her responsibilities? Your answer. Designated person ashore is a focal point that can be contacted 24/7, and he or she is ensuring vessels' safe work operations. Question number a little about safety. What are your views on safety committee meetings and how frequently should they be conducted? Safety committee meetings should be carried out on a weekly basis, as on those meetings, crews are sharing their views and concerns about the safety on board. Question number 12. Have you previously worked with multinational workforce? What nationalities did you have smooth cooperation? I have been working in a tourism business during the summer seasons and have met the people from all over the world. Respect and treat everyone as equal unites the team to work efficiently together. By working with the different nationalities, we are learning about different cultures and expanding our horizons. Question number 13. Lucky charm. Do you feel that you are obligated to make suggestions for improvement of the company's operations or performance? Your answer: yes, I do believe, as any suggestion is valid and can contribute to improve company's safe operations or performance. Question number 14. Which aspects of work do you consider harder or more stressful? Your answer: all aspects of work are hard and can be stressful, but with a good teamwork, some of those aspects can be reduced to a minimum acceptable level. Question number 15. What will you do if you find yourself faced with a serious family problem while on board? So this is a serious question as well. Your answer: as I am on board and far away from the home, I would use all company tools and try to assist my family the best I can. So obviously you are on board, far away, maybe somewhere at sea or on platform, so you can't do actually anything, but you will use your company tools to assist your family. Question number 16. Nice one. I've been talking about this before in previous videos. So the salaries and other benefits and salary negotiations. When it comes to this, you have to be careful what are you talking about, and as well you have to do research so you are aware what market is telling about salary range for the position you are applying for, of course. Salary and other benefits are very important to me as your employee to be able to put the food on the table. Each worker, when properly paid for their work, shall have a better job performance. Of course, with a higher salary, you should perform better. Question number 17. 1, 2, 3, 2, win. The best question: when are you available? Your answer: I'm immediately available and ready to join the team. To be able to join the team, your certificates must be updated. Your medical check-up must be valid. Your Siemens book as well. So, good luck. I hope I helped you a bit with this interview. I did my best to find the best questions and to give you the most easier answers. So, as said in the beginning, it's on you to taste the cake and to find the ingredients. I'm just here to help you to be able to do this interview easier, and all I have said so far I have learned on my own mistakes. One more time, good luck. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.